Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you on how to customize your images using Lexica's editing tools. So let us get started. First, open your web browser and type lexica.art in the address bar. If you have previously signed into Lexica on your device, it will take you to your dashboard directly. To begin, create a prompt or description of the image you want to generate. For instance, you could type flower in a tree as your prompt. After inputting the prompt, click on Search. Browse through the AI-generated images that Lexica presents and select the one you like. Click on Open in Editor to access the editing tools. Within the editor, you have the freedom to add prompts based on your preferences. Once you have written your prompt, tap on Generate to see the changes based on your modifications. Lexica will provide you with a new version of the image reflecting the prompts you entered. Also, if you need the image in a specific size, you can easily adjust the dimensions using the provided options. Feel free to play around with the editing tools, trying different prompts until you achieve the desired look. I think that's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.